This is me again making another video about another airsoft gun, and this is my L96A1, and I got it from GamePod, and it does not come with a scope. So I'm gonna get a new scope on I think it was like Tuesday. So on Tuesday I'll be getting a new scope. And then in the unbox it comes with a speed reloader. And the clip's already in there. It's really weird. And and it comes with a barrel cleaner. And then I got it from GamePod. Oh, and it also comes with the little things to screw your gun together. So I got mine from GamePod, and today they actually gave me like this one thing, and then free 20 gram BB. Pretty cool. Really appreciate that. And yeah, it's actually pretty strong, and I'm gonna be giving one couple shooting tests on there's where the box came on the L96. So let's get started to the thing. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'll be all the way over near my door and shoot them. Okay, ready? Now. Okay, so the shooting test, and even though I didn't get the scope, it still shot. I think I shot it was that one, and I don't know which one's from there, but it was some of those also. I think of that one and that one also hit there. Those three right there that are in the triangle were from later. Earlier, I think. So, yeah, that's my L96, and thanks for watching.